Greetings, welcome back to the channel. My name's Raf Britton. I'm a wildlife photographer in Ireland. Today, I've decided, since the weather's nice, just to get out for an improv walk to see what's around. There's nothing specifically that I'm trying to find. I just decided I want to go for a stroll with the camera, no tripod, and just move around and see what I can see. I've just had to stop. I was walking along and I heard the iconic call of a wren. I think it's chattering in a bush behind me. I'm going to wait around for a minute and see if I can get a nice shot of it and maybe some footage of it singing. I don't hold much hope, but stranger things have happened, might do it. There wasn't too much joy with the wren there. It was too close to a stream that wouldn't really stop. It was moving around a lot because I was there, so yeah, decided to move on. Still nice to hear. I'm certainly noticing with the pickup in the weather, just the time of year, I'm noticing there's a lot more around, which is lovely, especially in the mornings. Everything is singing a whole lot more, so yeah, great to be seeing the signs of spring and summer. The sun is absolutely beaming down. There is a little bit of cloud coming and going. What I've just seen is some ravens. And with this bright light, I'd love to get some shots or footage of the ravens being hit directly by the sun. It'll really show up the colours in their feathers. What I'm going to do is slowly make my way towards where the ravens are. I'll get near and I'll just sit and wait, see if they come and check me out. Because before, when I got shots of them, as I waited, they're very inquisitive. They came and had a look, so I'm going to see what I can do. That was cool to see. Some of the ravens just flew overhead. They came to sort of check me out a bit. They are very, very inquisitive. I think that if I go sit in the right position and just wait, I think they'll come to me. I should be able to get some pretty interesting footage. So I'm going to test this theory out and fingers crossed, I'll be able to get a nice shot. I have just found a cool spot to hang out near the ravens. I think I just heard a woodpecker right behind me as well. You might see that in a second. But I'm just going to camo up with a 3D camo suit and wait and see if anything will come near to me. So I'm just speaking quiet because I don't want to disturb things, but yeah, gorgeous birds. And hopefully if I wait here for long enough, if the light comes back, hopefully it will show off some of their lovely colours. In true Irish fashion, I can see blue skies and sun in front of me. Above me it's grey and it's now raining. I'll sit this out and let the weather blow over. As you see, I'm getting a bit more camouflage. I'm going to go lay in a field and see if it will work, because I did it before and the ravens came flying above me, looking down at me thinking, what is this tree man doing on the floor? So I'm going to give it a go today. I have a feeling it might work. We'll see if they prove me wrong. As you can probably hear and see, the rain is continuing to rain. It's actually picked up a little bit, but a raven did just do a nice flyby overhead. So I'm going to maintain this position and I think I'll get more. There's a big old barrier of grey clouds right in front of me, and that's the backdrop for these ravens. I'm hoping that that will blow over and become lovely blue clouds with some nice light. I'll be able to get some good shots. I doubt it will play out that way though. My attempts partially worked. They did fly over me, Not sure how good the shots turned out. They didn't really hang around for very long, but I got a few. So yeah, we'll see. After the ravens, I moved on, and before I got a chance to do a piece to camera, I came across this young fellow buck who was walking right in my direction. My camo was working, he was quite oblivious to my presence, until eventually, I think he caught wind of my scent, and he was gone. The pricket must have caught my scent. It dashed away. I didn't really move that much, I was laying on the floor, so I think he caught my scent and he dipped. But the ravens have located me again. They were just flying overhead. Gave some really cool shots. This one's coming around from the right, with the light hitting them and their wings and underneath, which is what I want to get. So I'm just going to play around with my settings and review some of the shots I've taken, and we'll see how they've turned out. I was trying to use around 1/1000th of a shutter speed. Because my lens is an f6.3, I've got the ISO around 1600, and I just want to see if that will really illuminate the darker parts of the bird. And we'll see how they turn out. But I'll try a few with a higher shutter speed just to make sure that I get some that are safe and, you know, properly frozen. And I'll continue to try out some other settings and see what I can do. It has been a tremendous afternoon spent with the ravens on the hill. Great to watch them flying around, squawking and just doing what they do. So yeah, really nice, very inquisitive, nice birds to watch and spend some time with. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, enjoyed seeing some of the footage and pictures. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.